Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 2000 to 2006 Tundra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the vehicle's bed. Step 3. Remove the two brake load sensing proportioning valve bolts with a 12mm socket and place it aside. Followed by removing the two rivets securing the mount to the top and bottom of the frame. Step 4. Install the new mount into the rail with the two included bolts and nuts with a 17mm socket and 15mm wrench. Followed by reinstalling the brake valve with the three remaining bolts and a 12mm socket. Finally, weld the mount to the spare tire crossmember. And you're done.